in 2025, which is not a really good year for you, because 2025 is belong to the year of the snake, is totally against the zodiac pig. So in this year, Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Master Alex. Welcome. If you're born in the following year, your zodiac is a pig, which is 1935, 1947, 1959, 1971, 1983, 1995, and 2007. So if you are born in those years, your zodiac is a pig. And in 2025, which is not a really good year for you, because 2025 is belong to the year of the snake, is totally against the zodiac pig. So in this year, you need to be really low profile, and you have a 5 in a special star which is affecting you. Okay, there are 水破、大號、欄杆、披頭、沖太歲. 5 of them is like bothering you all the time. So in 2025, you need to be really conservative, low profile. If you work for somebody, this year you need to be like a watch out for your colleague, for your supervisor. Maybe they will give you a tough time. If you want to start your own business in 2025, definitely this is not a really good idea to do that this year. Maybe you can wait for next year, 2026 or 2027. Or if you have your business in 2025, you also need to be really careful, because your competitor, your hidden enemy may show up and give you a tough time. So 2025, you need to be really careful. And if possible, you need to have a more like an emergency funding to prepare, so it can help you out. In terms of the investment luck in 2025, definitely there will be so much challenge in 2025. So you need to be more like a conservative and watch out the market for more like closely. And for the health concern, there may be some health issue will show up this year, and also some minor accident, minor injury will occur. So when you drive, you need to be really safe. Okay, for the love energy this year, that is a challenge. So you need to be like a more conservative, and then take care of your spouse. Understand your spouse. Don't start any conflict and stay away from any argument. That will help. But don't worry, this year you have 2 lucky stars helping you, which is 驛馬 and 國人 that will helping you. This 驛馬will help let you be more busy. Let's say you will travel a lot in your job, is keep you busy, but that will be good. And the 國人 is whenever there's like a tough time, then somebody will just show up and give you a hand. So this is something good. And if you want to further boost your luck, which is tiger, that would be good for a personal like a partner. And rabbit and ghost, they're more like a business partner. They will help you out. And stay away from the snake. This is the number 1 you need to stay away. And monkey and the pig are the second. And you can use more your like a lucky timing to do something important. 3 a.m. to 7 a.m., 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. are your lucky timing. You can use it. Anything important, you can schedule on those like a lucky timing to do that. And stay away from those like a bad luck timing, which is 9 a.m. to 11 a.m., 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Don't schedule anything important on that like a bad luck timing. And I wish you good luck this year. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye. If you want to learn Feng Shui systematically, I have a class online. The name is Accredited Professional Practical Feng Shui Master Course. I put the link down below. You can go there, check it out. Or if you want to read some Feng Shui book, I have a book on Amazon.com. The name is Practical Feng Shui 101. I also put the link down below. Thanks for watching. Thank you.